look at each courses from first year. The first year courses in financial reporting, the first year course is financial reporting and analysis, which is the first course, will be delivered or being delivered in trimester number 1. So this is not a kind of typical accounting course, because the objective of the course is not to create accountant but to furnish relevant financial information for the future managers. So typical issues like debit, credit, and your trial balance and your trading account and your T accounts, this and that, they are not being covered in this kind of course. Objective of the course is to make participant to understand how to directly attack on the balance sheet and how to directly attack on P&L account and cash flow, how to analyze them, how to read them, and how to look at what kind of manipulation is done in these related to these statements and all. The second offering is managerial accounting control, which is again not a kind of typical course on cost accounting, but it looks after approaches of the management accounting, and also it open window for the management control system kind of thing. So issues, typical issues we are covering like activity-based costing, cost volume profit analysis, traditional costing to activity-based costing, and time-driven activity-based costing, transfer pricing and all, right? Our third and fourth offering are corporate finance 1 and corporate finance 2. So as you know that there are so many issues related to corporate finance, and hence this course is divided in 2 parts. So because so many topics they are being covered in corporate finance, so that is why we have distributed in 2 parts, right? So part 1 starts by discussing the role of financial manager from the perspective of the firms, and the course aims to cover basic analytical tools and concepts useful in mapping and valuing various financial instruments. It covers issues related to time value of money, stock valuation, and risk return analysis, cost of capital and EVA, bond market, forward and futures, swap, options, put, call, parity, etc., etc. Right? So there are typical jargon related to finance and accounting. And whereas part 2, which is corporate finance 2, being delivered in trimester number 3, it covers some of the basic concepts already covered in the financial reporting and corporate finance 1. And this course focuses on their application in the corporate context kind of thing. So it covers key areas such as analysis of financial statement and liquidity and working capital management, working capital monitoring and follow-up methods, cash management cycle, cost of capital, and making the capital structure decision, dividend decision, and so on and so on. So this is all about the kind of offering